an Islamic discipline. It's Islamic discipline to justify rationally the truth of Islamic belief system. That's the positive aspect of al-Kalam. Positive aspect of Kalam. I mean, positive side of the Kalam. And from the negative viewpoint, it defend Islamic belief system against the other belief systems, and to reply to objections against it. That's negative. And although it is externally oriented by its nature, especially in its negative aspect, it also has internal aspect in the sense that it also tries to defend Islamic belief system from within or among Muslims against the interpretations which are not orthodox. So positively speaking, al-Kalam is justification and rational defense of the Islamic belief system. Negatively speaking, to defend Islam against objections from other belief system, and also to defend Islam against unorthodox interpretation of Islam from within, because unorthodox interpretation basically emerge from the external influence of non-Islamic belief systems anyway. So in that sense, it's a rational defense of the Islamic, and rationality obviously is determined by, to a large extent, because by the progress of human mind and human knowledge at the time. So that's why it's a continuing thing, because all external objections are always changing, but also rationality itself is evolving and progressing. So you need to always update al-Kalam in that sense. So that's why it's a rational discipline, or part of it is rational discipline anyway. Reason, and the belief system obviously is based on revelation. So reason defends, rational defense of the Islamic belief system and revelation. And since reason evolves always and progresses, that's why this this knowledge, this discipline always need to be updated. So it has two parts. Al-Kalam has two parts: Islamic belief system, which is based on Wahi, a revelation, and which is in a sense constant. It doesn't change. But reason and human knowledge obviously changes, because we are defending it based on that. So, and there are many aspects of it. So it includes philosophy, it includes science when science emerged, and other human disciplines. And